You're looking at the Climax. This is the PM2000 or the PM820. Overall, this machine's in excellent shape. Could use a little cleaning on the ways. We're going to run it back and forth just a little bit. Turns very easy. You can change this gearbox or this box from either side also, I believe. Jeremy's going to go ahead and feed it back and forth for you, or across. Turns very nice, and he's going to go ahead and turn it on. Like I said, overall this machine's in excellent shape. You can put the way I understand it, you can put a drill motor on this right here if you want to feed that. Again, thank you for your business and have a great day.